Hi, my name is Courtney, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to choose the right type of peel for your skin. Whether you're brand new to peels or you've used peels before and want to target a specific type of concern, such as acne or hyperpigmentation. Here at Perfect Image, we make it really easy to figure out which products are best to start off with. We have something called the level system, which consists of different levels or strengths of peels. We currently have a daily use, level 1, level 2, and level 3. Our daily use peels are perfect for sensitive skin and are a great way to be introduced to our peels if you've never had a chemical peel before. The daily use are 10% in concentration of acid and have a 3.5 pH or higher. These also make good maintenance peels for those looking to maintain a healthy complexion. Next, we have our level 1 peels, which are also great for sensitive skin or peel beginners and give more of a superficial peel, typically penetrating the epidermal layers. These can range up to 30% in concentration with a pH of 2 or higher. So even though these are level 1, it's important to follow the instructions carefully as you are still working with high concentrations of acids and lower pH levels. Our level 2 peels are a step up from level 1 and are for more correction than maintenance. They are better for more resilient skin types and those who are familiar with peels. These are best performed after you have successfully used the level 1 peels without any complications for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Our level 3 peels are currently only sold to professionals and have a lower pH resulting in a deeper peel. If you are interested in these, please contact your local salon. These are the strongest peels we offer and can be very effective for various types of skin concerns. When choosing a peel, it's important to have a general understanding of AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs, which are beta hydroxy acids. These are the most common acids we use in our products. AHAs are water-soluble acids such as glycolic, lactic, mandelic, and citric acids. They dissolve easily in water and are able to penetrate the epidermis and upper dermis, depending on pH, layers used, and skin sensitivity, resulting in a superficial exfoliation of upper layers on the skin. Glycolic acid is more of your anti-aging acid and is typically most effective for fine lines and wrinkles, age spots, mild pigmentation, or discoloration. Lactic acid is slightly less aggressive than glycolic and is a great skin lightener. It works great for hyperpigmentation, age spots, sunspots, or damage, and even skin tone or general brightening of the skin. Next, we have BHAs, which consist of primarily salicylic acid. BHAs are oil-soluble and able to penetrate deeper into the pores compared to AHAs. This makes it more suitable for concerns related to breakouts, such as acne, blackheads, whiteheads, or excess oily skin. Lastly, we have trichloroacidic acid, also known as TCA, a more aggressive acid that combats deeper wrinkles, blemishes, and uneven skin texture. It's great for skin that needs a deeper treatment in correcting scarring, deep wrinkles, and blemishes. TCA is a very strong acid that is strong in a lower strength. It has been used since the late 1800s to combat photoaging, acne, scars, melasma, to name a few. Next, what we have is called our concern system, which consists of age, clear, and tone. This makes it really easy to select the type of peel for you based off your skin type. First would be the age category, and in the age category, these are products that address anti-aging concerns such as age spots, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, dry skin, loss of moisture, and loss of elasticity. Our next category would be our clear category, and these are skin clarifying products that focus on controlling or improving concerns of oiliness, acne-prone, combination skin, breakouts, and redness. It can be extended to help improve the appearance of enlarged pores and maintaining a healthy and clear complexion. Our final category would be our tone category. These are our products that focus on refining or improving the tone of your skin, such as uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, light scarring, mild discoloration. These products focus on incorporating more skin brightening ingredients which work together with the actives. So to recap, if you are a peel beginner, you will want to select either a daily use peel or a level 1. Then you will choose either age, clear, or tone, depending on your skin concern. That's it. If you get stuck along the way, feel free to email us or speak to one of our live chat professionals to help guide you through the process. See you next time.